G'day, welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to the video. In this video I'm making a nice little display tray made from reclaimed flooring, which is Jarrah or Australian mahogany, and it's got some beautiful spline joints here to reinforce this. So let's go ahead and build this. G'day guys, as you can see, these little arrangement of flowers, plastic ones, quite nice looking thing, but they came in a cardboard cutout. So I selected some reclaimed flooring, which was Jarrah, Australian mahogany, and this stuff is so beautiful to work with. Got it at dirt cheap price. So I cut the 45s on the miter saw, and I'm just doing a glue up now and using the old painter's tape method here up against a spirit level, and this is going to ensure that we get a nice solid glue up. One of the tricky things here is, and it makes you laugh for a little while until the sticky tape sticks to the actual piece, but it also sticks to the bench and anything else it can stick to. But after a bit of time, all parties agree and come together and become a big happy family. So bit of fun. I'm just using this square to check the diagonals, make sure it's square and spot on. A little bit more of this painter's tape to reinforce everything, and Bob's your uncle, because it'll take a while to dry up. Actually, I'm using the quick set, so not quite as long as the other stuff. So I'm now marking out the part for the base, and I'm going to rabbit that in a minute, as you might see, and that's going to sit in underneath nice and tight. Marking out the bottom piece here, and about to go to the router table where I'll commence cutting a rabbet. When you're putting in the bottom of a anything to a box, drawer, whatever, you can do it many ways. You can just tack it on from the bottom. You can cut yourself a, on the table saw, a small slot, and then you have to make the piece to go within that. That's a bit of work, but if you got time, you do it that way, or you can just simply go ahead and try to get the best fit using this technique. So the good old glue up, and it's amazing how many clamps you use when you actually go and put them on, because this little display, it took a heap of clamps to glue it up. So I've got my LD router. This is a ripper of a router. I've never had any issues with it. I'm doing a flush trim here. I've got a flush trim bit in, so just cutting the base flush to the rest of the display. Now I've got my brand new spline cutting jig here in action. This was in a video prior to this one. I actually had to build this, so I filmed the video. It's my interpretation of it. It's probably not going to set the world on fire, but hey, you may get something out of it if you're watching this video and see this in action. So beech is the timber I'm using here for the splines. I had to cut this down and give it a good sand to get it right down to the right size, and I think it adds a good contrast to the Jarrah. So at this stage of the video, guys, I'm not going to ask people to subscribe to the channel anymore, but rather say if you think that my video might be worthy of your subscription, it's up to you, and I appreciate it if you do. So I've got this one-off flush cut saw, and it's really handy. Putting a good chamfer all around here, and then I'm going to commence doing some sanding. But I think I want to ask people. See, my objective on videos this year to make more build videos. It's hard to get traction sometimes, but I'm not really caring about that because I just want to do the things I like to do, and it just want your feedback if it's what you don't mind seeing. I do tour reviews and things like that as well. It's always been a mixed sort of channel, and I'm going to continue doing that. But yeah, just interested to see the mood of the meeting sort of thing. Anyway, this is the time where everyone gets excited, applying a finish. And I'm trying out this whittle wax, which is pretty good. And I'm going to try some other waxes as well in the future to make a comparison on which one I'm going to go for, because I'm sick of all these spray products which are just full of chemicals, and yeah, they half kill you by the time you finish your project. Okay, then the missus was wrapped with this, and it's completing the end of this video, so more to come. Stay tuned, and till the next time, thanks for watching. Happy woodworking. Hooroo!